When I saw this old radio setting in a woman's barn, I knew I had to have it. Not only did it provide me a place to set my mantle clock from episode 2, but I know the family had some kind of an old radio. This one happened to be electric, but I know my father used to tell me that they used to listen to the fights. I don't know who was fighting, what kind of fights, probably boxing. He would take some kind of a car battery and take it down into town where there was power, because we didn't get power till 41, early 41. So, and they would charge the battery up for him so he could bring it back and he could, or the family could listen to the radio. So when I saw this radio, I decided it's not exactly what they would have had. It's a bit newer, but they may very well have gotten a electric one when they got electricity. So when I restored this old radio, at least for looks, not function, here's the products I used. I used Restore Finish Dark Walnut for the sides. I used regular walnut for the center section. And then I finished it up with the feed and wax. This was all Howard's products to restore this old radio.